Welcome student. In the last part of the video, that is of the topic muscular system and digestive system in human beings, today we are going to solve the exercise of this lesson. In the previous videos we had learnt about the various new concept, that is what is meant by muscles, the bundle of fibers is called as a muscle that we had learned. Then voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle, that are the two types of muscle, and also skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, smooth muscle are the various types of muscles. Then why we need all these type of muscles and how we make our muscles strong, that we had learned. After that we learned the digestive system of the human beings. In that we learned the various organs, the construction of the various types of teeth inside the mouth, the respective function of all the organs of the digestive system that we had learned. After that we learned the intoxicating substance or effect of tobacco and alcohol on the digestive system, and also it affects all human beings, that we had learned. Okay, so these are the main concept that we had learned. Now according to that, if you are understanding the lesson correctly, then we are going to solve the exercise of this lesson. So first of all, first, second, third questions that we are going to solve orally, and question number 4 and 5 we will discuss the answer of this question, and in a written form I will give the link of these answers of this question. Okay, so the first question, fill in the blanks with the right word from the brackets. What you have to do? Choose the correct answer from the bracket and write down the answer. Okay, so the first one, the process of digestion starts from the dash. It starts from the mouth. So correct answer is mouth. Second, eyelids have dash muscles. Voluntary or involuntary? That is the voluntary muscle. Question number 1C. Production of blood cell is not a function of a muscular system. What is the answer? Production of the blood cell. Okay. Now D question, muscles of the heart are cardiac muscle. Muscles of the heart are cardiac muscle. Okay. Then last one, see, pushing forward the blood that has been food that has been chewed is the function of the esophagus. So what is the right answer? Esophagus. So I think you understand whole answer of this question. Whenever we are going to solve the exercise, you take the textbook as well as the notebook, write down all the answer, pause the video, write down all the answer of respective question, and then come to the second question. Now in the second question we have to match the pair. In a group A and group B, there are several organs are given here, and also some points are there. Cardiac muscle are brought about by muscles, pepsin, cramps, skeletal and muscles. बघा ह्याच्यामध्ये सेकंड आहे आर ब्रॉड बाय द मसल, म्हणजे स्नायूंमुळेच हे होतं. लिहून घ्या, जिथं अर्थ होत नाही माहीत नाही तिथं. पेप्सिन हे एक एन्झाईम आहे. त्यानंतर क्रॅम्प्स म्हणजे पायात गोळा येणे, आपण पेटके येणे असं म्हणतो की नाही, ते क्रॅम्प्स. अँड स्केलेटल मसल म्हणजे अस्थि स्नायू. आता याचे मॅच ते पेअर्स करायचे बघा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 बी, वी नेवर फील टायर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 B, we never feel tired due to the cardiac muscle. Then second, are brought about by the muscles. The right answer, chewing movement of the jaws are brought about by a muscle. C, third, pepsin. The answer is enzymes of the gastric juice. 4, cramps, uncontrolled and painful contraction of the muscle. That is the answer, point C. Fifth one, skeletal muscle A always function in pair. Okay, that are the answer. Mean first B, second D, third E, fourth C and fifth A. That are the match the pairs. Okay. Then in question number 3, who is telling lie? Here the question of true or false. Like that only the manner or the question is little bit in a different form, but the basic concept is write true or false. If the sentence is false, make it correct. Like that only question is there. Organ is given to you and that respective statement is given by the organ. If the organ is telling true, then he is telling truth. Okay. So see, tongue, my taste bud can only a sweet taste. असा आहे बघा प्रश्न काय विचारले. टंग म्हणजे जीभ, माझ्यातील रुचिकलिका, टेस्ट बड म्हणजे काय, रुचिकलिका फक्त गोडच चव ओळखतात असं आहे का? आपण जिभेवर अन्न ठेवल्यानंतर फक्त आपल्याला गोडच चव समजते का? नाही, तर आपल्याला इतरही चवी कळतात. मीन्स टंग इज टेलिंग लाय. टंग कॅन टेस्ट सॉल्ट, स्वीट, bitter, all the taste. Like that you write the answer. Then second organ is liver. I can large gland. I am the largest gland in the body. Yes, liver is telling true. The sentence is true. Okay. Now third one, large intestine. Large intestine. I am 7.5 meter long. It's wrong. It's 1.5 meter long. So large intestine telling lies. Its height is about 1.5. Okay. Now fourth one, appendix. Digestion is impossible without me. It is not required for any process of the digestion. So appendix telling lie. Last one, fifth one, lungs. I play an important role in excretion. एक्सक्रीशन म्हणजे शरीरातील नको असलेला भाग बाहेर टाकणे, हे काम लंग्सचं आहे का? नो, इट्स द फंक्शन ऑफ द किडनीज. सो द सेंटेन्स इज रॉंग. लंग इज टेलिंग रॉंग. So in this way we complete here 1, 2 and third question. Just we discuss the answer of 4 and 5 question. I will give you a written link of this and you write down the answer of this question. See, food become acidic in the stomach. Food become acidic in the stomach. आता याचा आन्सर कसं लिहायचं आहे? In the stomach there are gastric juices present. In that hydrochloric acid is present. Whenever food comes into the stomach, that hydrochloric acid mix into the stomach and make the food acidic. Okay, that is the answer. Now second question, cardiac muscle are said to be involuntary muscle. Why the cardiac cell are called as involuntary muscle? Because these muscle bring about the contraction and relaxation of the heart, and their movement is not upon the will. It is a involuntary, means cardiac muscle are not working on our will. Cardiac muscle cause our heart to relax and contracts continuously. So these are the involuntary muscles. Then third one, intoxicating substance should not be consumed. त्याचं उत्तर तुम्हाला 86 पेज वर दिसते बघा. इंटॉक्सिकेटिंग सबस्टन्स आपण का घेऊ नये त्याचा आन्सर दिलेला आहे बघा इथं. If we consume any tobacco product, the mouth, pharynx, alimentary canal and other organs of the digestive system cannot function properly. It causes a problem like a vomiting, nausea and headache. Besides, tobacco particles sticks to the mouth and gums and skin of the mouth cavity and slowly causes injury to those parts, resulting the dysfunction. This causes a swelling of the gums and pain when moving the jaw. So the pharynx, intestine become inflated and condition further progress into a cancer leading a death. That is the answer of this question. Whole paragraph must be as an answer for this question. Okay. Now the fourth question. Your muscle should be strong and efficient. Why your muscle should be strong and efficient? For that you refer page number 83. Always remember, muscle of our body must be strong and efficient because आता हे तिथे त्यांनी सेंटेन्स दिले, तर ह्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला उत्तर काय लिहायचं आहे, का आपले ते स्ट्रॉंग असले पाहिजेत. तर त्याचं आन्सर काय दिलेलं आहे, मसल्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी शुड बी स्ट्रॉंग टू मूव टू डू आवर डेली टास्क व्हेरी स्मूथली. If you are not doing the regular exercise, your strong muscle should not be become strong, and that causes a various disorders in your body. And for example, you write down all the points of this question. Okay. Then question number 5th. How many types of muscles are there? Which are those types? So for that, page number 82, various types of muscle: involuntary, voluntary, skeletal, heart and cardiac. First of all, you write down the tree as like a tree diagram. Means voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle, and involuntary muscle, the various types, that is the skeletal, heart, cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, you write down that. Okay. Now question number B, what causes the problem of acidity? What is the effect on the body? आता हा जनरल तुम्हाला विचारलेला प्रश्न आहे. तुमच्या शरीरामध्ये जर आम्लपित्त का होते? if we consume a spicy or a oily food inside your body, then the level of the acid increases when that food enters into the stomach. Here the hydrochloric acid also mix into that food, and these substances having a lot of spice and the oil, and that is why the level of the acid is increases and will cause the acidity, and that is effect. What is the effect of acidity? You know well, vomiting, then stomach ache, headache, that are the disease related to acidity occur inside your body. Question number 5th, C, name the different types of teeth. What is the function of each of the teeth? For that, you refer the page number 84. In that, 4 types of teeth are given to you, and respective functions of these are also given to you. So write down the answer of this question. And 6th one question, sketch and label a diagram of the digestive system and describe in your own word. So the digestive system diagram on page number 85, and write down the respective function in short as an answer of this question. Okay. In this way, student, we complete here the exercise of this lesson. Also written answer with the links is given to you. Write down the answers in your text notebook. In the next part of the video, we will learn a new topic, that is the change and physical change and chemical change. Okay, till then, good day.